of detail that you are requesting.
No, within 5 minutes. I need the committee report.
If we may please move on to the other questions
Yes,
while
but-
they're working on
Yes,
this.
I will. But if within 5 minutes wala yan, ibig sabihin wala yan, ngayon palang gagawa yan. Ang gusto natin na committee report is the same as the BICAM. Okay? The same as the BICAM. Nakasulat kung saan binawas, saan nadagdag. Okay, I will mention why it is very important. Okay, ito may dalawang distrito, no? At sino ang nag-introduce ng amendment? May dalawang distrito, hindi naman to kasalanan ng congressman doon sa distritong yon. Ang NEP nila is 2.530 billion. And then, pagdating sa GAA, naging 20.999 billion. Isa pa, 1.508583 billion sa NEP. Pagdating sa GAA, 20 billion 795. So, tapos, ang pinasok lang sa BICAM dito is 5 billion and 4 billion each. So, ang napasok dun sa small committee is 13 billion, dun sa isa, yung isa 14 billion. So, sino yung nagpasok ng 13 billion na yun at saan tinanggal yun?
So, again, the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is not required to render a separate committee report. The rule that you are citing, Honorable Chanco, pertain to standing committees. And the mother committee in this case of the small committee is the Committee on Appropriations.
Yes, but did we exempt the Committee on Appropriations not to submit a committee report? No.
Again, the committee report of the Committee on Appropriations at the plenary level is the HGAB itself.
Yeah, but all meetings, dito sa ating rules, all meetings must be on record. So it's not only the committee report, dapat yung small committee na yon, meron silang report na finurnish lahat.
Again, if with the indulgence of the Honorable Chanco, the COMSEC is looking into the request, if we may move to the next question.
Okay, I will move to the next question.
Thank you very
mukhang
much.
Wala talaga. Signed committee report showing ano yung binawas, saan napunta. Okay. So it's only now, Madam Chair, that you found out that there is no small committee report? Madam Chair, it's only today that you found out that there's no small committee report?
Again, Representative Chanco, I was not the chairperson of the Committee on Appropriations at time, nor was I linked to the budget deliberations or the deliberations of the small committee. So this is something that we are looking into based on your query.
Okay. So, you mentioned in a press conference that you will have a subcommittee on budget amendments to replace the small committee. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Does it mean that we will now strictly follow Section 56 and 57 of our rules, that after we approve on second reading, no further amendments will be made?
Yes, that is correct.
So, lahat ng individual amendments will be tackled before approval on second reading?
All amendments of institutional nature will all be included in the version of the bill that will be approved on second reading.
No, not institutional. I'm referring to committee and individual amendments.
Technically speaking, yes, both committee and individual amendments as moved, as tackled during the period of amendments in the plenary.
So after the second reading, wala na pong babaguhin?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. Sumunod, sino po ang mga miyembro ng small committee at paano sila pinili?
As of now, it's an ongoing discussion. It will not be small.
The subcommittee on budget amendments.
Yes. So we are looking into representatives nominated by each of the political parties, plus the party list coalition, plus members of the minority. So we are looking at least 10 members. So discussions are still ongoing, so I'm unable to say definitively how many the members are and who the members are.
So sinabi niyo po, political parties, majority, minority.
That is correct.
Bakit wala pong representative ang independents? Hindi pa po kami dapat tumingin din sa budget?
That could be considered. Thank you very much for pointing that out, Representative Shanko.
So is it a affirmative that the independents will be represented?
Madam Chair, point of order, Madam Chair. Kasi kanina I was asking kung ano ito, kung hearing ito o briefing. Ang sagot sa akin, briefing. Sa naririnig ko parang hearing. Because we are now discussing, things that are properly discussed in the committee itself. So, with apologies to my friend Congressman Chanco, baka maybe that can be discussed in a formal APRO meeting kasi we have our resource persons here that probably are wondering why they are listening to all of this. And so that also the briefing can proceed, Your Honor.
Yes, to my friend, of course, the respected Honorable Puno. But on Wednesday, we will ask them how they spent their funds. So I think we also should know whether they were deducted funds or added funds.